Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
So yes, One Nation family, these are the quality works that we talk about on Charms and Trends. Just go and support Charms and Trends. Charms _and_ trends on Instagram, and you can go straight to the website charmsandtrends.shop. Remember, me merge them over there, and anything like them here, you can get it customized with the Speak My Mind name or the Life is a Mission name. So go support Charms and Trends on Instagram.
It's that man. Then you got hit job and crash and dead. Karma. A karma that no? Bonbonut. You find out, yes? One like that. The driver is shooting this now. The bullet will Bonbonut. Yeah. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot.
Mask up everything there.
Bumbo clot. Oh, two gunmen that? Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot.
I mean, so no man, no one thing that they are going to hurt the side.
Bonbonut. Shit. Bomb in the battle. Bomb. Bomb buckler. Yo.
You see, all the people who walk and I talk about a man of God and woman of God. Somehow some of the devil biggest servant. What I say? Somehow are the devil biggest servant. I don't know hide back behind God to do the devil's work. Can you imagine? Cause I can't tell about all this, because this reached me already, You understand? I say Grace Hamilton, but they've never say Spice. Because she never represent as Spice. You understand? She represent as Grace Hamilton. They soon come out on a boycott. You understand? On a boycott. A school tour for the woman. The woman I represent as Grace Hamilton. I want to come out and boycott the woman thing and make the woman go viral.
to something we should even go out the viral. Because you make the woman go viral actually for the wrong reason. But me I tell you, you see how you talk about a pastor, try and make sure you right with God. Make sure you not pedophile, because most of the pastor out there pedophile. You understand? Molest the young picnic and all them sitting there both man and woman. You be careful until you buck up in a God here. Because you might get a surprise on your life, because you're going to feel like say God I eat that. Remember God sit high and him look low, I see him the last time I go for God donate. I reach out to a certain school in the Olympic Yard community to do a little give back, cause I do a little give back a month 10 time and I get my little salary from YouTube. And I reach out to them about 3 weeks before. And them say, alright, good initiative. I like that. We want more people like you, and a long time we are looking for influencers like you. But two of them put it to me, say them have a breakfast program I run. I tell them, say, I come here for that. I just come here for help 2 students with lunch money. And if I can find 2 different students every month, no problem. Them tell me, okay. Them take about 3 weeks to reach me back, and I have to reach out to them. And when them finally say them find 2 parents, and I go there, because I make the presentation, me hear one big argument in the office. Because coordinator, supervisor, like them never say it to the principal, who is a criminal. But you see all your principal for the school in the Olympic Garden, you wait till the Ministry of Education run an audit upon you. A whole heap of cry about that upon you, you wait, man. And I call on him, but wait. You wait. Your husband let it go and you take it up, You wait. You take your schoolyard like a your yard. You understand? You keep church there. The community can't get the use of the school, but you can't keep church, you can't sleep there with your young boy, you can't do all kind of things, but you wait. When I go to make the presentation, people, just because she claims that she never hear about it, it can't work. Remember, people, we know the protocol have to follow, because Ministry of Education have protocol we have to follow. But at the same time, I give you a notice, I want to agree, so that simply means you must sort out on the things. But when me come on the call, me now to make the donation towards the kids them, you don't have problem. Because you never get the money in your hand, what you can do as you don't have a mind. If me carry a container, a truckload of goods come go now and tell you, say, yes man, this is for the breakfast program, I want to say you want. Deal with. Only that take it, but to me I deliver the funds directly to the parents of the child. You never have no privilege to do nothing towards that. Yeah, my people, man. Anyway, they never pull up with one half truckload or one container load of goods. Because me I tell you, the principal a criminal, A whole heap of criminal actually are going with me, Because me a friend where I work in the system where them a pull off the criminal and evil, the man them where I work. But two of them feel like say the youth them well educated on a certain level, the security them where I do the private security work and watchman work and you call it landscaping work. Them get all money to pay man to do work, and the same security guard them want to take to do the work and them push them under them pocket. But me not ready for it in the principal. Me not ready for it. But you see, uno stop the youth them food. Uno come out and reach out to people for if you can adopt a child who is in need of help, to gain some education. But when people come and do that, uno want to put them through trials and tribulation and all them things there. West Spice they come sing. Skin out me pum pum. And that's they gonna sing? No. West Spice they gonna sing. Go down there. And that's they gonna sing? No. The woman dress all appropriate. But you see, only claim to say, only godly, only respectable, only try to put down people. You understand? Only try, only tell yourself that people can adjust to circumstances. Once you're a thief, you're always a thief. All when you transform, all when you serve God, all when you have a doctorate in pastoring, yes, you're still a thief. Yeah, man. So, whole heap of a thief same way. And remember this, make sure someone not get caught in the rush before you buck up in a God. Check it now, man. Before you wreck it now, man. But as I said, people, you see one them school here, you now reach out to them individually and give them the things them bring all kind of clause, all kind kind of protocol have to come in place. We know protocol is there. But some of them can be relaxed. But them not relax. None. The only time them relax the protocol is whenever time them get the things in them hand, whether the goods or the money, where them can do away with it and there is no record to show. Yes, man. So people, you know, say me have another major question to ask. Yeah, what me never asked in the previous Spice video, which is a big question this. You understand what me I say? People, who best to motivate? Is it the rich people with eye color? Is it the pastor? Is it the man that wholly and solely with God? Or is it the man or the woman who go through certain struggles in her life? May I ask you now, tell me. Nobody is better to motivate than the people them who go through the struggles and reach where them reach now. So when you're not gonna make it look like say a rich people motivate, rich people can't motivate. The man that born come see him father and him mother wealth and him family wealth. Him can't tell the tales and nothing at all. You understand? So I take people like Spice and many others who grew up in the system and the society where it come like them can't reach now and they will never reach away and they make it in a life because of them ambition. If you come out here, come motivate, especially these kids of this time and years. What I say? Especially these kids of these times and years. Because what? Most of these kids nowadays is the same set of struggle them have got through or even worse. And guess what me know? Most of them might not have no courage in them, like we probably Spice and who before Spice it have and me myself. You understand? And then now because of technology increased that much, they must see so much things. Your technology is concerned. It's easy if you click them brain one way and make it stay one way. Just achieve what they want. And that is not the way to go about it. And on the same one out there we are put down these kids who people are reach out to assist, whether mandatory, by prayer, motivation or whatsoever. When them grow up at even the same age, them are do certain things. Because we see it happening at the school. Boy, I carry this guy at school. Boy, I do this at school, I do that at school. Boy, they in a school, I do scamming, all kind of something. Only see one sit down in a pound eye seat and criticize. I want to criticize the parents. I want to criticize the people in and around these kids on a daily basis, community leaders and members. But yet still, when the people them are try to do something, you know, see them on a bant on it, so it come like you don't want to see no good for the youth them. It come like you come out here, come use the youth them to criticize and all these things, but at the end of the day, you pretend like you don't want to see the best of the youth them. But you don't want to see the best of the youth them. May I tell you that? Because may I ask again, who better to motivate these kids in the schools them nowadays? Most people will go through the system and can't the rich youth or the rich man the band come see him well, put on a wait for him. And people will know the struggles and go through the struggles and make it in a life. I'm not going to condemn people because of certain personality they might have. But you not consider say this person might have 3-4 different characters, 2 different personalities. When you use the one bad personality and bring down the woman and bring down other people. There is so many good songs Spice has sing also, but you can't think about the nasty one them and they go down there and they this and kin out me pum pum and all them something there. But what about the one them will have a lot of message in it? What about the ones with a lot of message? No, because you not give them no earplay, so you see something no better. Because you only give the slack and nasty song them earplay in our ears. That you can't know them, but you can't tell me one of the good motivated song that Spice has sing because you don't know it, because you don't take no time to know it. Or you sit down and take ears and oh Spice this, Spice that, where. Or him this, him that, where. We don't want him. Who better to motivate? But as I said in the previous video, if Spice it come at any one of these schools giving away a ton load of money without cameras or without anything and say them a give it to XYZ. The whole on gravitate to it and take the money. No matter what Spice was or what Spice do or who she is or who she is not is. We're not gonna take the money because you know get the money where no camera no there and certain things not there for evidence, and then you could take the money and do what you want to do. You spend one little 5% in the school or pertaining towards school picnic and then push all that in on the pocket. And if you stop them something them man, stop blight to the youth them future. Stop blight to the youth them future. There is nobody better to motivate than the person who come from same place where them youth are in and now and want to get out of. Check it now man, before you wreck it man. You see someone look an idiot fool boy out there. Right now I'm in a business which woman want to come for me now. But you see when me talk, I just reality. I don't know fabricated or fake nothing. I just the way the world I run and the way the world set up and what me see. Some of you youth out there, you know, I never see come see you fool. You so fool that you feel like you smart, but you know not too smart. When you don't have 3 smart out there. And that's why some of the women them use pound. You not too smart, them be 3 smart, so them get the better out. Me I go tell you some of the youth out there where you really in the gutters and on rise from the gutter and start see little light. And you have some girl out there who want to run, come take on a clout. Take clout off on you. And take some shine from you. And them come and them see juice you know, because of crutches. And when them see juice you know fall for them. And you don't know say all of what them a do. Them just a do it for the gains. Because them come with an intention. It's either them want hype off on you or them want fame off on you. But something them want rise off on you. I say if you not be careful, you see what you have in life, you're not going to turn everything to them and give them the privilege angle on the account. Me know with me saying all the party and no found a woman that go run out, you know, but you no run come. Me not tell you say if you no buck up on them like idiot boy, they don't must use them. But me just talk, make a general statement about some of the youth themselves wise up. Because you see most of them get a little one youth. Or them have a little girl really check for them in the gutter stage of them there. And as them rise up, they make girl run come. Do all them can do possible. And them feel like say, yes, this girl want them, this girl needs them. But the opportunity this girl see, and she's smart. 3 smart, she not 2 smart. And she want to take the opportunity where she see by using you. So me just tell on the youth, just wise up on yourself. Because when you meet them girl, yeah, them do all of the things them too. And some things you never expect them to do. Whereas for some nice, sweet girl, we would even look upon if you're still in the gutter. But the papers you have and the opportunity you can give them, because someone reach all a stage and stardom. Even with some of the TikTokers them me see. Some women who don't look upon them if they meet in the street. But through them there, upon TikTok now, and it's that thing that TikTok make you make money. You can make money out of TikTok, and some of them are fame. Have the fame. Them are rankers. So every girl want to know. Be careful. And not only the girl them want. Because them never want to know when you're not the gutter. It's what you have them want. And if you lay yourself careless, them coming like chichi when you am down house. Check it now man, before you wreck it. And let me tell you something before me go away too. None of them take on up carrying go foreign country. Because them take on up and carrying go foreign country, you know. And when they left Jamaica, they don't talk. And that's what them can use, you know, and do what them want, do it, you know. Remember, check it before you wreck it.